Are you looking for something, Mr. Eklund? I asked you to stop drinking, but you wouldn't.
Oh, no. Where is it?
Somewhere where you won't find it.
Gone again. Oh, meddlesome. Oh. Come on. All right, now, where is it? You got it up here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait. Oh, you wait. You just wait. Kings Point, this is Eklund again.
Hello, Mother Goose. This is Briar Patch.
Get out, and on the double.
Big Bad Wolf is engaged.
I don't care if he's married. You get him. You know, lady, you missed your calling. You ought to carry a tambourine and put fig leaves on statues.
What is it, Walter?
Frank, now this is a military zone and you're in command. You tell Miss Goody Two-Shoes here to get off my back.
Goody Two-Shoes?
Yes, you tell her. Tell her she's a pain in the...
Please, Walter, be civil.
Civil? Who pushed who out of whose home? Who stole whose liquor? Who bit whose hand? Twice.
She bit you?
Yes.
Miss Frenno?
No. Now, you tell her to give me back my booze. You tell her to flood out. You tell her to...
All right, Walter, I'll speak to her.
Yeah.
Yes?
Miss Frenno, I'm sure you've noticed that Mr. Eklund is not the most sociable sportsman in...
Mr. Eklund is a rude, foul-mouthed, drunken, filthy beast.
Well, be that as it may.
This is the filthy beast speaking. Now, listen, Frank, when you send those supplies, send plenty of whiskey. Plenty.
I insist you do nothing of the kind, Commander.
Now, be quiet, both of you. We've arranged for the parachute drop to take place tomorrow night at 2200. I suggest, therefore, if you want anything at all, you'd better give me a list of your needs.
Whiskey!
Yes, we know about you. What about Miss Frenno and the girls?
Summer clothes. Beau magazine. Peppermint drops. Glace au chocolat. Fraise du bois. Tennis balls. Bow and arrow.
Girls, please. I have prepared a list.
Hold it. You've taken over everything else, but the radio is still my responsibility. 8 nighties.
Would you repeat that, Walter?
Mr. Eklund isn't here anymore, Commander. I'll give you the list. 8 nighties.
Nighties?
That is correct, in various sizes, starting with children's size 6. And would you please make that one a bunny suit?
A what?
A bunny suit. I'm sure you've seen them, Commander. You know, with the hands and feet.
With the hands and feet.